again, if you have a ginormous, let me show you. Do you see the volume on FRC? 69 million. Its
Yes.
average volume is 25 million. It's 3 times the average volume going to the downside. That tells you stay away from a call or a long, right? So it could, that's why I mean, look for volume. Volume's going to be your only friend here. If you can get a large amount of volume and it's driving to the upside, because think about it, the buying volume has to be bigger than the selling volume. So you've got to see a giant spike. And that's the other thing you could watch for is if you see a giant spike of volume down here, to be a big green bar. Okay? If it looks like this was a red bar sell-off.
Right.
If you see a big green bar, that can indicate a reversal.
Okay.
Something else to be watching for. So you're looking for a giant green bar. You're watching the L2 for level, your volume to pour in. Otherwise, manage your risks.